Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Geekbench Mark 5 test results between the Dimensity 800U processor, Snapdragon 778G and the Dimensity 1200. So all these three smartphones are from the Realme brand, and all the three smartphones, they're having the different process as well. So Realme Narzo 30 Pro versus Realme GT Master Edition versus Realme X1 Max device. So let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between the Dimensity processors and the Snapdragon processor. That's what my main idea, and it is the middle, which is the Snapdragon processor 778G. Let's see how much difference when it compared with the Dimensity 1200 you can actually get in this device. That's what my main idea of doing this kind of comparison side by side. So first let me clear everything from the background application. So all the apps are completely clear from the background. You can clearly see here friends, as you can see. Now let me open the Geekbench Mark 5 application in all the phones one by one, and then I'll be able to start the test as well. Here's a Geekbench Mark test. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. So right now the test has been successfully started in all the three smartphones, which is the Geekbench Mark 5. Let's see how much difference it will be there, and which will score what kind of high single core and highest multi-core results. So these are the things which I'll try to concentrate in this video. And in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible in my channel. So again, I'll be back after some time when the percentage gets close to 99%. So finally friends, the first phone to finish the Geekbench Mark 5 test results is the Realme X1 Max, which has been finished first in this phone, and we got the single core result about 975 and the multi-core 3039. Not bad. So without using any kind of high performance mode, there is no GT mode, nothing is enabled. So these are the results which we got, and in the single core we got about 787 in the Realme GT Master Edition, 2733 in the multi-core results. In the Realme GT Master Edition you can clearly see. So definitely friends, the Dimensity 1200 is slightly kind of powerful. You can see how much powerful it is. So it doesn't matter what benchmarks you do, definitely the Dimensity 1200 will be having slightly better results. And Realme GT Master Edition, always it was consistent around this kind of score, 2700 only. It's very consistent in terms of maintaining the results, very consistent. Now let's check what is happening with the Dimensity 800U chipset. How much difference it's gonna be there from Dimensity 800U and the Snapdragon 778G processor. And we got the results which is about 605, as you can see in the single core result which we got in this device. You can clearly see. And the multi-core we got about 1823 in the multi-core results, Dimensity 800U and the Snapdragon 778G and the Dimensity 1200 chipset. So in this way we'll be able to understand what is happening with the single core and the multi-core performance. So another main reason why I'm concentrating on the Dimensity 800U, because a few of the users, they want to buy the Dimensity 800U chipset right now. I don't think it's kind of ideal situation to buy right now in the 2021. So there are a couple of other processors which are getting released or maybe already got released. So you can prefer those processors instead of Dimensity 800U chipset. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.